day I wash out my clothes and my wife clothes. Cause enough boy now wash them wife clothes, you know. Rah rah. Mother love wash him wife clothes, so oh you the one take off her clothes. Oh you the one push her hoodie now all and them things. So you know, take care of the woman them. So when I say
We're lying, we're dying, but this one's flying without trying. Yeah man, now watch the patois. Yo, it's broken Jamaican. It's Yamahardy, Yam Yam slash Yardy. But yo, the first Jamaican drive-thru in the whole of England. Hello. Let's forward and check it out.
I made you, I made it. Your energy, I can feel it. I said I want you, I meant it. I know this day would come, I dreamt it. I need you.
Welcome to Life with TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Yes, man, bless everyone. Greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, land and lioness. Big up on yourself. Welcome to Line for TV. You know the man of pace. I'm going to set the violence off the streets, live in love, unity, and strength. Life are the greatest gift. Cherish each and every moment. You see me I say? Yeah, man. So you don't know the 15th of August, sun has shine. I will give thanks for the sunshine. I'm out to do some workout. Big up good youth, 1-5. You see me I say? Bada Blaine, Corey, Prince. I hear us, man, we the devil them can't convince. Yes, man, you don't know in this episode, yeah. Man, we have one mother love. I do some washing. Zine. And man, I make you know so you're not afraid. For washing woman clothes and the panty them too. We got one mother love and Lee British. Yo, the man love him wife. And man, I do one thing. No care nobody wants to say. That my respect with the general. You see me so? Look at this walk up and walk. That's it. Yes, man. One mother love to the world. Yeah, man. We also have JB. What's cooking? JB. Jerk pan in Birmingham. I have to give a shout out to my brother because I love to see when my black brother them a try, especially Jamaicans. And you know, yeah. Because go you know, one and wash the other. So I see this and I say I have to highlight it too. Good look. That's what I say, but before we kick off it, don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. See? Peace out.
Man of Peace Records.
Good youth, big up yourself, Prince. So me asking a man, Keisha, big up yourself. Peter Gay. Yo, the whole link, man. You see me I say Sandy. You me asking a man, big up the general them. You see it? I line for the represent. But anyway, watch that video you know. Zine, JB, what's cooking JB jerk pan? I'm part of Birmingham. Watch where I go on.
JB can never be a staller. We're lying, we're dying, but this one's flying without trying. Yeah man, now watch the patois. Yo, it's broken Jamaican. It's Yamahardy, Yam Yam slash Yardy. But yo, the first Jamaican drive-thru in the whole of England. Hello. Let's forward and check it out. So I pulled up on my scooter quick and fast, forwarded over to the till. I pick off the menu, exactly what I want, pay my money, and then I go over and wait for my order to be complete and collect. So right now, I demand this. Yo, chef, what going?
Yeah, man, proper thing, man, proper Jamaican thing.
Yeah, man.
You know?
Yo, it looks flavoursome.
What's up, JB, man? One of the best in Birmingham. Trust me.
Best in Brom at the end of the day. So right now, I'm pulled up outside the front on my scooter, waiting for my order. So you can come pull up at the drive-thru in car, bike, scooter, wheelchair, whatever. It's a drive-thru for everyone and it's easy accessible. Remember I told you, the first Jamaican drive-thru in the whole of England. Hello. Thank you, my brother. Yo, I'm impressed. Blows and ski, Mr. Blows and ski. Yo, the jerk chicken pan the fries, let me make the thing in my trousers peak. Yo, without further ado, let me get into the thick of it. Look at the portion, man. It's living and giving. Yo, the thing no proper, man. Yeah, yo. Bad no blood clot. You see it there? Nah, yo, this is unreal. I've never had jerk loaded fries before. Real nice fresh jerk. Premium quality. The flavour holds into the meat. Fries are really nice. The sauce on there complements everything well. Yo, hats off to the chef, man. If I'm lying, I'm dying, but this one's baller certified. Highly recommended, man. Yo, make sure you pull up. It's just a wicked concept and something I ain't never seen before. But most importantly, the quality's there, man. Real good business. Yo, I expect to see this franchise around the whole of the UK. Remember, you heard it here first.
Yes, my people, you see it? I love, yo, I nah lie. At the first, you know, I hear the brother say, this should be all over England. I mean, and it's possible. You know what I mean? You have to talk where you want into existence. You see what I say? So a good look. Hopefully, you know, turn out and get the support. But I feel like I have to drive go to Birmingham right now go sample it. You see me? Yeah, man, because I'm not like chicken them look nice, not the jerk man there. You see what I say? And the food and, you know what I mean? Yeah. So a greatness, man, a greatness, man. We love the endorsement. I don't know, Lionfoot see it. I'm going to help endorse it too. Because I say it's going on for share the joy, share the food, share the moment, share the love. Zine, yeah, we can't go like say we want it all for ourselves. The cake is big for everyone in the music industry, selecting industry, the artist industry, you know what I mean? Everything what you do, the cake is big for everyone. So share the food, share the joy. Don't keep it for yourself. So JB, what's cooking JB? Big up yourself. See it? Lionfoot I represent for your business all the way from one part of London.
Alright, you know one mother love in the morning I wash in the iron bar. You remember the iron big bath, yeah? Old time days. Iron big bath. Plastic. I was iron bath before plastic bath. Remember the iron bath? But you don't know one Lee British, one Nicholas, one Dominic. Big up Lee mother. Big up Sheena, our big friend in England. Big up all of my family in England, same way. But you don't know Lee are the first lady in my life, you see me? One Lee British. So you don't know me there, I wash out my clothes and my wife clothes. Because enough boy now wash them wife clothes, you know. Rah, rah. Mother love wash him wife clothes, so all you the one take off her clothes. All you the one push your hood in her hole and them things. So you know, take care of the woman them. So when I say, I show you what I go. So the underpants and this, go. You see me? No, me I ring the underpants them. And the water them. So when I say, one mother love, one liberty, you hear that? Remember me tell you, quote. One mother love, you see me? One liberty. You hear? You know we are doing the right thing. You see what I say? I know mother love I do the right thing. You hear that? For my wife, you see me? You know me don't want she stop with the knife, you know. Because I say she love me for life, you see? One mother love, one Lee British, one Dominic, one Nicholas. Big up to our mother, our brother, our father. Big up to my father, my brother, my sister, the whole of them. Big up to the whole uptown, big up to the whole Jamaica, England, China, Africa, Europe. Me I tell you, say, I want mother love. Take care of your wife. Maintain yourself, maintain your wife. Live life. Health and strength. Put your trust in a God. And you don't know mother love say a life over that, you know. And who never like me, you don't know me still like, you know. Me not here to now, me not fight to you. See me? One Lee British, my wife for life. Take it off, Lee, because they don't know how you have video me.
Yes, man, you see it? Well, I'm not lie. Don't watch the vlog, you know, two different scenes, you know. But you know, vlog on the go. But one mother love, a different level of respect for the general. Yeah, man, the man I wash. Even though I'm not sure, you know, him wife clothes. I mean, that not for one want to see, you know. If you don't go see Brazil or not go see Knickers. But the man don't make you know in that video already say, he wash him woman clothes. I don't want to take off the clothes, I don't want to wash it. So I don't know what I mean. We matter from the dress to the pants to the blouse to the skirt to the panties. I let them go that. Each to them own. You see what I say? Yeah, man. But big up one brother love. Yeah, but respect the brother. I love when the man endorse his mother. Rest in peace, what mama love. Zina, you know, one mother love. Yeah, man, I'm one part of St. Elizabeth there. We got the whole balaclava. Yo, the man thing different. The man not watch people, you hear that? Yeah, man, the man do him thing and I hear the king. I work me there, you know. Don't watch the nice in the background, in the foreground. See it? Big up Mother Love 15. Let me know what you think of that, my viewers and subscribers. Would you do what one Mother Love is doing? You see what I say? Yo, big up with yourself. Lionfoot represented. Yeah, man. I'm out. Not another word, but I'm out.